A really important part of writing any story is to create a believable world for your characters to live in. This is the part where you'll be learning how to bring the settings of your book to life. You'll need to think about when and where your story will take place. Is it in the here and now? Or here? Or here? Or here? Or even here? Or is it in the past? Or way in the future?
How does it feel to be in your world?
Is it bright and magical? Or is it spooky and scary? Or is it weird and wonderful? Or is it in the world that you and I live in?
Once you know more about your world, it's about finding the right descriptive words to make it feel real.
What can you hear? What can you see? And what can you smell? Oh!
There's a whole world there, right inside your heads, just waiting to come alive. And now it's up to you.
Good luck developing your settings.